Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum Math Grade 5 Quarter 4 Lesson 1 Topics: First, recognizing multi-step problems involving decimals and money. Second, solving multi-step problems involving decimals and money. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. 1. Recognize multi-step problems involving decimals and money. 2. Solve multi-step problems involving division of decimals, 4 operations on decimals, and money. Day 1. Let's have a short review. A. Do as indicate. 1. 9.29 plus 12.24. Answer: 21.53. 2. 34.5 plus 22.07 equals 56.57. 3. 23.4 minus 18.06. Answer: 5.34. 4. 12.24 minus 10.04. Answer: 2.2. 5. 0.8 times 7. Answer: 5.6. 6. 11.07 times 9 equals 99.63. 7. 256.32 divided by 4 equals 64.08. 8. 0.72 divided by 8 equals 0.09. B. Solve the following problems. 1. Josh bought 9.50 kilograms of flour. He used 0.75 kilograms of flour for each loaf of bread. So he baked 12 loaves of bread. How much flour was left? Answer: 0.75 times 12 equals 9 kilograms. 9.50 minus 9 equals 0.5 kilograms. Number 2. Josh then bought a kilo each of grapes and bananas at 270.56 pesos and 61.94 pesos respectively to serve with the bread. How much did he pay for the fruits? Answer: 270.56 plus 61.94 equals 332.50 pesos. Number 3. He suddenly realized that he needed 3 kilos more of bananas and 1 kilo more of grapes. How much additional money does he need to buy these fruits? Answer: 270.56 times 1 plus 61.94 times 3 equals 456.38 pesos. 4. He found a 45.60-meter long roll of ribbon and used 17.25 meters of it to decorate the 3 baskets of leftover fruits and bread. How many meters of the ribbon were left? Answer: 45.60 minus 17.25 equals 28.35 meters. 5. If the ribbons used to decorate the baskets were of the same length, how long was each? Answer: 17.25 divided by 3 equals 5.75 meters. Your teacher will write the correct answers on the board. Compare your answers with those on the board and check if they match. Listen carefully to your teacher's explanation and correct any mistakes or misunderstandings. When asked, share what you notice about the questions in Set B. Use the kind of numbers used in the problems as a hint. Which of the questions in Set B has a multi-step solution? Answer: questions 1 and 3. Unlocking content vocabulary. What are multi-step problems? Multi-step problems are word problems that require more than one operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division to arrive at the final answer. Subtopic number 1. Solve multi-step problems involving the division of decimals. Day 2. Let's have a short review and circle the letter of the best answer. 1. When answering word problems, we read carefully and understand what the problem is all about. After reading and understanding the problem, what is the next step? Answer: C. Figure out exactly what the problem is asking for. 2. Paul is a construction supervisor. He works for 9.5 hours and earns 1,472.50 pesos per day. How much was his hourly rate? In this word problem, what is being asked? Answer: C. Paul's pay per hour. 3. What do you do next after solving the math equation in a word problem? Answer: A. Verify if the answer is correct. 4. What problems may include facts that don't help you find a solution? They are there to test your ability in comprehension and attention to what is really needed in solving for the correct answer. What do you think is the best way to deal with these facts included in the problem? Answer: D. Eliminate excess information. Explicitation. 1. Dennis went to SM and bought 110.97 grams of candies for 464.85 pesos. She divided the candies equally and packed them in 9 boxes. A. How much does each box weigh? Answer: 110.97 grams divided by 9 equals 12.33 grams. Is this a multi-step problem? Answer: no. B. How much does each box cost? Answer: 464.85 divided by 9 equals 51.65 pesos. Is this a multi-step problem? Answer: no. 2. Denise decided to sell the boxes of candies at 55 pesos each. She was able to sell all of the boxes. A. How much money does she now have? Answer: 9 times 55 pesos equals 495 pesos. Is this a multi-step problem? Answer: no. B. How much did she gain from the process of buying and selling candies? Answer: 495 pesos minus 464.85 pesos equals 30.15 pesos. Is this a multi-step problem? Answer: yes. The first step is A and the second step is B. Summary: Denise went to SM and bought 110.97 grams of candies for 464.85 pesos. She divided the candies equally and packed them in 9 boxes. She then sold all of the boxes at 55 pesos each. A. How much money does she now have? Answer: is not a multi-step problem. B. How much money did she gain from selling the candies? Answer: is a multi-step problem. I do. Denise bought 153 grams of gummy candies. She divided the candies equally and packed them in boxes. If each box of candies weigh 12.75, how many boxes did Denise use to pack the gummies? A. What operation will you use to solve this problem? Answer: division. 153 divided by 12.75 equals blank. B. How is this expression different from the ones that were discussed in class? Answer: the divisor 12.75 is a decimal number. C. How do we divide by a decimal number? We already know how to divide by a whole number. So, 12.75 just needs to be converted into a whole number. How? Move the decimal point of 12.75 2 places to the right. Do the same to 153. We do. Converting centimeters to inches. There are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. How many inches are in 76.2 centimeters? Is this a multi-step problem? Answer: no. The final answer is 15. You do. Converting pounds to kilograms. 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 pounds. If Denise weighs 112.2 pounds, how much does she weigh in kilograms? The final answer is 51 inches. Lesson activity number 1, guided practice. Instructions: analyze the given situation. Solve the following provided with your solution. Activity number 1, guided practice. A. A cookie factory used 22 pounds of cocoa to make 8 batches of muffins. How many pounds of cocoa did the factory put in each batch? Answer: 2.75 pounds. B. Zach paid 288 pesos for 2.5 kilograms of oranges. How much did she pay per kilogram? Answer, 91.20. C. A box of 12 pencils costs 117 pesos. How much does each pencil cost? Answer, 9.75 pesos. D. School lunches cost 950 pesos a month or 4 weeks. How much does Aaron need to pay for 3 weeks? Answer, 950 pesos divided by 4 equals 237.50. 237.50 times 3 equals 712.50 pesos. E. JM ate 18 candies in 4.5 minutes. At this rate, how many minutes can he eat in 10 minutes? Answer, 18 divided by 4.5 equals 4 candies per minute. 4 candies per minute times 10 minutes equals 40 candies. F. Which of questions from A to E above are multi-step problems? Answer, D and E. Activity number 2, independent practice. Instructions: analyze the given situation. Solve the following provided with your solution. A. Nikki went to Baguio for vacation with her family. She bought some souvenir refrigerator magnets to give to her friends as pasalubong. If her budget for souvenirs is 200 pesos and the magnets are 33.60 each, how many magnets can she buy? How much money will she have left? Answer, 5 magnets, 32 pesos. B. The Martinez family went on a road trip to the nearby province. They drove 98.7 kilometers. It took them 1.25 hours to get there. How fast did they drive? Answer, 78.96 km per hour. C. Sarah's mother, who works abroad, sent her 3,175 pesos for her and her 2 siblings' school allowances. How much does each of them get? Answer, 1,058.33 pesos. D. If school lunches in Sarah's school cost 238 pesos per week or 5 days, will her allowance be enough for her school lunches for the entire month or 20 days? Answer, 238 pesos divided by 5 equals 47.60 pesos. 47.60 pesos times 20 equals 952 pesos. E. School lunches are the only expenses Sarah has for the entire month. Extra snacks cost 20.35 a day. How many days will she enjoy those extra snacks if she uses up what is left of her allowance? Answer, 166.33 divided by 20.35 equals 5 days. F. Which of the questions A to E above are multi-step problems? Answer, A, C, D, and E. Subtopic number 2. Solve multi-step problems involving 4 operations on decimals. Day 3. Let's have a short review. A. Do as indicate. 1. 4.26 divided by 0.6 equals 0.71. 2. 11.9 divided by 1.7 equals 7. 3. 12.1 divided by 0.2 equals 60.5. 4. 4.26 divided by 1.2 equals 3.55. 5. 3.1 divided by 0.4 equals 7.75. Worked example. Tonya is baking cookies for her best friend's birthday party to be celebrated in their class. A. Each batch of cookie mix needs 0.4 cups of sugar, and each batch can make 16 cookies. How much sugar is in each cookie? Answer: 0.4 divided by 16 equals 0.025 cups of sugar. B. If Tonya is making 4 batches of cookies, how much sugar does she need? Answer: 0.4 times 4 equals 1.6 cups of sugar. C. Tonya found 2 boxes of sugar in the kitchen. The green box is 1.26 kilograms and the red box is 1.026 kilograms. Which box contains more sugar? Answer: 1.26 is greater than 1.026, the green box. B. Tonya measured 1.43 cups of sugar. How much more sugar does she need? Answer: 1.6 minus 1.43 equals 0.14 cup more of sugar. E. She has 3 bags of flour. She has 2 smaller bags with 0.75 kilograms of flour each and a bigger bag which has 1.14 kilograms. How much flour does she have in total? Answer: 0.75 plus 0.75 plus 1.14 equals 2.64 kilograms of flour in total. F. After she finished making the cookies, Tonya had 0.945 kilograms of flour left. How much flour did she use? Answer: 2.64 minus 0.945 equals 1.695 kilograms of flour. G. Each batch of cookies is 8.9 ounces. What is the weight of 2.5 batches of cookies? Answer: 8.9 times 2.5 equals 22.25 ounces. H. If there were 39 students in their class and she plans to give them and their advisor 2 cookies each, how many batches does she need to make? Answer: 39 plus 1 equals 40. 40 times 2 equals 80. 80 divided by 16 is equals to 5 batches. I. Which of questions A to G are multi-step problems? Answer: C, E, and G. Activity number 3, guided practice. Instructions: analyze the given situation. Solve the following provided with your solution. A. How much will each of them pay? Answer: 692 pesos plus 189 equals 881 divided by 3 equals 293.67. B. The pizza can be cut into 6, 8, 12, or 16 slices. The three friends ask that their pizza be cut into 12 slices. How many slices will each of them have, and how much will each slice cost? Answer: 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 692 divided by 12 equals 57.67 pesos. C. They were about to pay when Wina arrived and said that she would share the meal and would pay too. She already has bought her flask of drink, so no additional soda was ordered. How much will each of the three friends now pay? Answer: 692 divided by 4 equals 173 plus 63 equals 236 pesos. How much will Wina pay? 173 pesos. D. Would they need to change the number of slices of pizza? Why or why not? Answer: no. 12 can still be equally divided into 4. E. Which of questions A to D are multi-step problems? Answer: A to C. Subtopic number 3. Solve multi-step problems involving money. Day 4. Let's have a short review. A stick of fish balls costs 10 pesos, while a cup of buko juice costs 5 pesos. Kaloy buys 2 sticks of fish balls and the cup of buko juice for snacks. A. How much did Kaloy's snack cost in total? Answer: 2 times 10 pesos plus 5 pesos equals 25 pesos. B. Kaloy paid using 2 20 peso bills. How much change must he receive? Answer: 2 times 20 pesos equals 40 pesos. Minus 25 pesos equals 15 pesos. C. He decided to treat Anna, his secret crush, to the same snacks he got. Can he afford the same set of snacks for her? Why or why not? Answer: no, he only has 15 pesos from the previous transaction. He can now only afford 1 stick of fish ball and a cup of buko juice. Let's have some worked example. A. How many 25 cents are there in 50 pesos? Answer: 50 pesos divided by 0.25 equals 200. B. While surfing the net, you saw this on your screen. 10.9518 pesos per kilowatt hour. In April 2024, Meralco lowered its overall electricity rate to 10.9518 pesos per kilowatt hour for a typical household consuming 200 kilowatt hour per month, resulting in a decrease of about 198 pesos in the electric bill. Meralco had requested the Energy Regulatory Commission to use 1.3522 pesos per kilowatt hour as the average price for regulatory years 2023 and 2024. 1. If your household consumed 512 kilowatt hour last month, how much are you going to pay Meralco? Answer: 5,607.32 pesos. 2. About how much was a household paying in January 2024 if their consumption was 200 kilowatt hour? Answer: 2,388.36 pesos. 3. How much is the electricity rate in January 2024? Answer: 11.9418 pesos per kilowatt hour. 4. If your household budget for electricity is no more than 2,000 pesos per month, how many kilowatt hours should your electricity consumption be? Answer: no more than 182.62. C. While browsing the current news over the net, you read this news. By Chino S. Leico, At a Glance. One. Your household's water concessionaire is the Maynilad Water Services. Your current month's bill shows that you consumed 3.35 cubic meters of water. How much are you going to pay Maynilad? Answer: 3.35 times 47.57 equals 159.36 pesos. 2. Going over your 2023 water bills, you noticed that during the summer months, April and May, that year, you consumed a total of 11.46 cubic meters. How much on average was your monthly bill then? Answer: 227.48 pesos. 3. How can you explain the increase in water consumption in number 2? Answer: since it's the summer season, the people in the household bath more because of the heat, wash more clothes as household members frequently change because of more sweat, etc. 4. How much was Manila Water charging their customers per cubic meter before the increase? Answer: 37.85. 5. Your family is having a new house built in Manila. Which water concessionaire would you choose for the new house and why? Answer: Manila Water because the water rate is cheaper. D. The following are screenshots of an actual Grab transaction. Questions. 1. Explain the transaction in your own words. Answer: Grab car ride on May 6, 2024 from Bacoor to Naiya Terminal 2 and the total fare was 635 pesos, paid through GrabPay wallet, and it included base fare, distance, time, surge, toll fees, and a promo discount. 2. In addition, according to Google Maps, the total distance traveled was 19 kilometers. How much was the rate per kilometer? Answer: 15.21. 3. Explain in detail the amount paid for that transaction. Answer: 635 pesos. Day 5. Activity number 4, summative assessment. Solve the following problems. For each item, show the complete solution and then encircle the letter of the correct answer. If your answer is not in the choices, encircle it as your final answer. Each item is 3 points. 1 point for the encircled answer and 2 points for the solution. No solution, no partial points. 1. A case of 12 bottles of juice contains a total of 16.32 liters. How much does each bottle hold? In this problem, what is the operation to be used? Answer B. Division. 2. Mang Tomas has 12.5 hectares of land. He wants to divide it into 2.5 hectares each for his sons. How many sons does Mang Tomas have? Answer C. 5. 3. The total weight of red beans is 7.8 kilograms. If each pack of red beans is 0.65 kilograms, how many packs of red beans are there in all? Answer A. 12. 4. Elena has an 8.25-foot piece of wood that she needs to cut into 0.75-foot pieces. How many pieces can she cut from the piece of wood? Answer D. 11. 5. Men's socks sell at a department store at 3 pairs for 97.50 pesos. How much does each pair of socks cost? Answer C. 32.50. 6. Taraya's family has catering business. For one birthday party, they charged their customer 12,784.80 pesos for a party of 80 people. What is the cost per person? Answer B. 159.81 pesos. 7. Rani bought 5 black leather belts for 567.50 pesos. How much did each belt cost? Answer B. 113.50 pesos. 8. A digital camera can take pictures every 0.08 seconds. How many pictures can it continuously take in 4.8 seconds? Answer D. 60. 9. An electrician's apprentice earns 8.75 pesos per hour. If he earned 415.65 pesos last week, then how many hours did he work? Answer B. 47.50. 10. A 4-person relay team completed a race in 78.4 seconds. On average, what was each runner's time? Answer A. 19.6. 11. Darwin cut strips of papers with 0.25 diameter wide from a sheet of 1.50 diameter wide. How many strips of paper did Darwin cut? Answer D. 6. 12. A nutritionist poured 0.70 liters of honey into 14 liters plastic cups. Find the number of plastic cups filled. Answer B. 20. 13. A rectangular rice field is 0.40 kilometers wide and has an area of 2.80 square meters kilometer. Find the length of the field. Answer C. 7. 14. The city government plans to install street lights along its 88 kilometers main road, which will be 0.22 kilometers apart. Thus, the city government will need 88 street lights. Answer 400. 15. A bamboo pole of 0.80 meter long was cut into pieces. each measuring 0.05 meters long. How many pieces of bamboo were cut? Answer D. 16. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!